Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the last video we talked about what programming is. Basically giving instructions to a computer to perform tasks. Now the big question is how do we actually give those instructions? That's where programming languages comes into the picture. A programming language is simply a way for humans to communicate with computers. Think of it like this: humans speak languages like English, Hindi, or Spanish, but computers only understand binary, which is just zeros and ones. That's obviously not easy for us to write, so programming languages act like a translator between us and the computer. Let's take an example. Imagine you are talking to someone who only understands Spanish. You don't know Spanish, so you use a translator app. You type your message in English, the app converts it into Spanish, and the other person can understand. That's exactly how programming languages work. We don't understand zeros and ones, and computers don't understand English. So there is a gap between us and the computer. To bridge that gap, we use programming languages. We write instructions in a way we understand, and the programming language translates it into zeros and ones so the computer can understand and follows it. That's how we able to communicate with computers. There are many programming languages: Python, JavaScript, C++, Java. Why are there so many programming languages? Just like we use different tools for different jobs, a spoon for soup and a fork for noodles, right? Similarly, different programming languages are better for different tasks. For example, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript we use for websites. Java, Kotlin are used for Android apps, and Swift is used for iOS apps. How does the computer understand the code? When you write code in one of these languages, the computer still doesn't understand it directly. So we use something called compiler. Compiler convert your code into machine language, that is zeros and ones. Only then can computer actually execute your program. So let me explain how does code actually work in the next video. Make sure you stick around. It's going to be fun. See you in the next video.